so bright. I don't wanna lose that somebody. I don't wanna lose somebody, somebody, somebody.
Alright, so as you can tell from the beginning, from the signs and stuff, and the cinematic shots that I just got, we are at Bushkill Falls. It's supposed to be like the Niagra Falls of Pennsylvania, and we've been here when we were really little, and there's just awesome waterfalls. I'm not going to talk right now because the waterfall is really loud, but yeah. Cue the edits.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. 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 Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
Alright, so we just got out of the trail. It was actually pretty easy except for all the stairs. It was like just under 3 miles that we hiked, and we saw tons of cool waterfalls. I wish we were allowed to get off the trails, but we can't because you would have got kicked out, I guess, but it's pretty cool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and share with your friends and subscribe and comment and like, and see you in my next video. Peace.
We'll be right back.